How to buy off Hacoo. So you can download this, or you can always visit this application or the website of Hacoo here. Navigate to the app or website, the product you are interested. For example, I'm interested in bags, right? So I can just go and check for it. Now, if you like any of the bags here, so click on product to view it details, right? Make sure to check available sizes, and if you're selecting shoes or clothes, right? So here in the bag I have only one, that is a blue, right? So I have to choose it, and then I can just buy or click on add to cart if I'm looking to buy more than one product. So for example, I want to buy it right now, only this product here. I have to fill up all this information, my details, my address, my contact info, and on the right side, I have to enter my payment details to do the payment of this product. So I have added this. This is my auto, right? So I can just remove this. I can just go to my card and then I can remove it, right? And here, once I am okay with my product and the price here, I will just select the payment methods, whether debit or credit or PayPal, and click on I have agreed and click on place auto. So this is how you can do so.